SYBSc Computer Science Electronics syllabus for semester 1. In semester 1 we have 3 papers for electronics. First paper, microcontroller, architecture and programming. Second paper, digital communication and networking. And third paper is practical course based on paper 1 and paper 2. Now we will see microcontroller, architecture and programming paper in detail. Microcontroller, architecture and programming. Paper first. Now in this paper we have 4 units. First unit is basics of microcontroller, and Intel 8051 architecture. That is, we are going to study microcontroller 8051 in this paper in detail. Now we are going to cover the following subtopics in unit 1. So topics are architecture, of 8051, second point internal block diagram of 8051, then internal RAM organization, next SFRs. Now SFRs are nothing but special function registers. SFRs are special function registers. Special function registers. Then next pin function in 8051, IO port, that is input output port structure and operation. Next external memory interface, Then next unit for this paper is programming model of 8051. Now in this unit we are going to see the following topics: instruction classification, then instruction set, that is which instructions are used in 8051, different types of instructions, then addressing modes, that is how we are going to access the memory used in 8051, then directives used in 8051, next IO bit and byte programming using LED and SSD, that is input output bit and byte programming using light emitting diode and 7 segment display interfacing. The next point, introduction to programming (8051) in C programming. Then third unit is timer or counter and interrupts, that is interrupts used in 8051. The subtopics in this unit are timer or counter registers, that is TMOD, TCON, SCON, SMOD, then PCON, SBUF. We are going to study these different types of registers associated with timer or counter. Then next, timer modes. We are going to study mode 1 and mode 2 in detail in our syllabus. Next, interrupts, different types of interrupts used in 8051. Then vector addresses, then interrupt enable, that is IE, and interrupt priority, that is IP. These registers associated with interrupts we are going to see in detail. Then next, unit 4, interfacing of different types of digital circuits and serial communication. The subtopics in this unit are serial port programming, different types of serial communication, that is synchronous and asynchronous, Then next, use of timer to set or select baud rate. Then next, interfacing. We are going to see ADC, that is analog to digital converter, DAC, digital to analog converter, LCD, liquid crystal display, and stepper motor. We are going to interface this ADC, DAC, LCD and stepper motor to 8051 microcontroller. Now we will see next paper, that is paper 2, digital communication and networking. In this paper again we have 4 units. First unit is introduction to electronic communication. In this unit the subtopics covered are introduction to communication, then types of communication, next serial communication, information theory, in this information theory we are going to see rate of information, that is data rate, baud rate, channel capacity, then Nyquist theorem, signal to noise ratio, noise figure and Shannon's theorem. Next, error handling codes. In this error handling codes again we are going to see Hamming code and CRC, that is cyclic redundancy code. Then second unit, modulation and demodulation. In this unit we are going to see introduction to modulation and demodulation. Then next, digital modulation techniques. Now in this again we have different types of modulation techniques, that is PCM, pulse code modulation, then FSK, frequency shift keying, QPSK, that is quadrature phase shift keying, and QAM, that is quadrature amplitude modulation. Third unit, in third unit we have multiplexing, spread spectrum, and media access control. The subtopics here are multiplexing techniques, that is frequency division multiplexing, wavelength division multiplexing, TDM, we can write there frequency division multiplexing, wavelength division multiplexing, time division multiplexing. Next, spread spectrum techniques. In this again we have frequency hopping spread spectrum, that is FHSS, then DSSS, that is direct sequence spread spectrum. Next, media access control, that is MAC. In this we have random access protocol, random access protocol, then controlled access protocol, then third one channelization protocol. Channelization protocol. Now, fourth unit we have computer networking. In this unit we are going to see introduction, then next types of networks, that is LAN, WAN, MAN, wireless network, switching networks, then network topology, different types of topologies we are going to consider here: star topology, point to point, bus, mesh topology, tree topology, daisy chain, hybrid. Next, network devices, that is repeater, switch, networking cables, router, bridge, hub, router. These network devices we are going to consider here. Next topic is Ethernet. And lastly, computer network model. Computer network model, that is TCP/IP and OSI model. These are the units that we are going to cover in this syllabus. And third paper, that is paper 3, that is practical based on these two papers. So, we have to complete 5 practicals based on paper 1 and 5 practicals based on paper 2. So, overall we have to complete 10 practicals. Thank you.